guys, how's it going? Today I'm at the Wollaston stop in Quincy. This is an Asian restaurant hub. Just now I was at Big Fun Cafe, and a separate video about that, about the shrimp rice rolls from Guangdong and the curry beef and the curry fish balls, which you gotta check it out. That was awesome. But today I'm showing you the Sumac 10 LLC bakery. This is a chain. They have another one in Quincy as well. I like it. They have really good salted egg yolk lava buns, and I'm just gonna walk in there and show you guys what they got today. Hey, how's it going? Just taking a video of what you got. All right, let's see. Different mousse cakes, types of baked goods and sweets. There's the egg tarts, sticky rice, some dim sum items, fried dough, shumai. These are good. These are nice and fluffy. Salted egg yolk, I believe. Red bean cookies. I like those. This is my favorite one. Golden egg yolk bun. Highly recommend. Usually I just get an assortment of different things. Hey, I'm just taking a video. Is that okay? With the curry beef puffs over here, the roast pork puffs. It's a meat and pastry. It goes so good together. Can I get one of the curry beef puff, actually, this one? Maybe I don't get it today. Gods have not smiled upon me.
Curry.
Looks like it's $2 for one. Yeah.
Can you get one of these curry beef ones? Thank you. Curry
Yes,
beef,
please. Yeah. I bought a bunch of pastries earlier today, so normally I would just kind of raid this place, but I already was in the pastry store earlier, so just want to get some of that curry beef. I'm on a curry stint today. This is my third or fourth curry item. I don't think I'm gonna stop. No one can stop me. Curry puffs obtained. So this place next to me here does Chinese barbecue. I guess it's part of the bakery, so I don't know. One of these days I'm gonna check it out. Let me know in the comments if you want me to check it out and review. All right, so there's two places in this plaza that I highly recommend as well. If there's some other place in this plaza that I haven't covered that you really like, let me know in the comments and we can discuss. I can go check it out as well. Love to do that. I love getting recommendations. So this place is Wealth Seafood Restaurant. It's open till like 2 a.m. I think it opens at 4 p.m. They have some pretty good dishes here, including the different seafood dishes. I'm definitely gonna make a video in the future about that place. It's an interesting place, and it has some pretty solid items. Last up is, what is this place? Last up is Chaji Creamery. It's an ice cream place, and apparently It is temporarily closed until 2024, but it is 2024 now, so I'm not sure what's going on. Typically, they do slow down in the winter season, so it doesn't surprise me. It's possible they may open up again later in spring or maybe in a couple weeks. But they make these delectable, it's like fancy soft serve with a bunch of stuff on it. Green tea, matcha, chocolate ones, and they do it up. It's actually really nice. I don't particularly like soft serve, but that one is actually really good. And it's an Asian influence. That's an Asian business establishment. So yeah, let me guys know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.